Hi, in this video I'll teach you about angle of elevation and angle of depressions. To better understand these concepts, I have here two questions. Let's look at the first question. Find the angle of elevation of the top of a flagpole 32 meter high from a point 43 meter away on ground level. So I've drawn the diagram here. This line represents the flagpole. It is 32 meter high, and the observer is here at a distance 43 meter away. So when you join the line from the eye of the observer to the top of the flagpole, this angle here is called the angle of elevation. So angle of elevation is the angle drawn from the ground up to the line of sight. Now to find this angle, we have to use tangent because we are given the opposite side and the adjacent side. So I call this angle x. So using tangent, tangent x is opposite over the adjacent side. So it's 32 divided by 43. This will give us the value 0.7442. Now to get the angle x, we find the inverse tangent of this value. So after you get this value in your calculator, just press the shift key and the tangent key and the equal sign. That will give you the answer 36.65 degrees. This can be rounded up to 36.7 degrees to one decimal place. So let's write down the statement. Angle of elevation is equal to 36.7 degrees. Now let's go to question 2. In this question we are told from the top of a cliff 55 meter high, the angle of depression of a boat is 26 degrees. Find the distance from the boat to the foot of the cliff. Now the diagram is not given in the question, but I've drawn the diagram here from the question. So this is the boat. This line represents the cliff, and we are asked to find the distance from the boat to the cliff. Given the angle of depression from the top of the cliff to the boat as 26 degrees. Now to draw the angle of depression, first draw a horizontal line and mark out the angle from the horizontal line at the top to the line of sight. So angle of depression is from the top looking down. The observer is here at the top. But in the case of angle of elevation, is from the bottom looking up. So this angle is 26 degrees, and we are given that the height of the cliff is 55 meter high. So this is 55 meter. And we are required to find this distance from the boat to the bottom of the cliff, which are represented by the letter Y. Since this angle is 26 degrees, this angle here is also 26 degrees, because there are alternate angles between these two parallel lines. And this being the opposite side and this is the adjacent side, we will again use tangent. So let's write down tangent 26 degrees is, the opposite side in this case is 55, and the adjacent side is Y. Before I cross multiply, I can write this as tangent 26 over 1. Now when I cross multiply, Y multiplied by tangent 26 will give me Y equals to 55 times 1, which is 55. Y is therefore equal to 55 divided by tangent 26 degrees. When you work this out using your calculator, you should get 112.7. And so on. When rounded up, this will give you 113 meter to 3 significant figures. So this is the value of the distance between the boat and the foot of the cliff.